Water is boiling. I have 2 cups. 1 teaspoon, 5 ml measurement spoon, and my coffee cream. Hello everyone, good morning. This coffee was given to me in PF for an honest review from Javy Coffee. Please visit their website because I have a discount code for you. The discount code for your first purchase is 20% off. Now let's open this bad boy because I am hungry. It is morning time and I need to have my coffee. And this is Javy Coffee. This is the original flavor, but there are many other flavors. But they also have French vanilla, caramel, and mocha flavors. They also have a decaf in the original flavor. So please check their website out. Use my first time 20% discount code so you can get some money saved. Javy Coffee is concentrate with added caffeine. 35 servings. And you can use it cold or hot. So I'm glad this is hot and cold. How to use. The directions say fill your cup or mug with 6 to 8 ounces of water or milk. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Javy and mix. Add creamer or flavoring. And I am going to open this. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. This is the coffee right here. I am going to put 1 teaspoon in this. 1 teaspoon right here for this cup. This is the smaller cup. Now this cup right here, I'm going to put 2 of the Javy, 2 teaspoons of the Javy coffee in there. 1, 2. For this cup, I'm just going to pour water until I think I have enough. For the other cup, I measured the water, so I'm gonna pour 6 ounces in here, which is more than enough. I like that. Now I'm gonna take my same little measuring spoon and I'm just gonna stir. Now I have these 2 coffees. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna put this one with cream and I'm gonna drink this one black. I do both all the time. Don't forget, I do have an affiliated link in my description. If you click on that, your first order, you will get 20% off. You can also build your Javy coffee bundles. So go ahead, use my affiliated link, get the discount code and save and create a bundle and get your Javy coffee home today. Now the taste test, I'm gonna pour this like this, just to taste a little bit. I put a small amount in here so I can taste it. That's strong. Okay. Now I have the black coffee in this cup. Good. This is good. This is so good I can feel it going all the way down into my empty stomach. This is good. And this is the black coffee. Let me show you. Black coffee by itself. Taste this. The one with the cream. This one, let's see. This is really good. I'm surprised it is liquid coffee and it tastes that good. It tastes better than my ground coffee. It does. Okay. I want to bring you, my subscribers and viewers, the most honest review that I know of. You get 35 servings. You can use it cold or hot. Javy coffee, concentrate liquid coffee. Enjoy my discount code in the description box. I thank you all again for watching. Thank you again at Enjoy Javy for giving me this coffee to try. I am signing off saying, happy shopping. Let me know what you get. Bye. I am hungry. I have to get my coffee.